Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will see how to change the shape of NumPy array. We are creating a two-dimensional NumPy array B containing 6 elements having 2 rows and 3 columns. So in the first cell we are importing NumPy as NP. In the next cell using np.array function we are passing argument list containing 2 tuples. As it contains 2 tuples there are 2 rows. Each tuple contains 3 elements, therefore 3 columns. Data type of each element is float. If we check the content of object B, it is a NumPy array containing 2 rows and 3 columns, total 6 elements. First function, Ravel function. If we run Ravel function on NumPy array B, it will flatten the NumPy array, means it will convert a two-dimensional or multi-dimensional NumPy array into a one-dimensional NumPy array. So if you run this cell, B will be converted into a one-dimensional NumPy array and it will be stored in the object B1. If we check the content of B1, it is a one-dimensional NumPy array. To cross verify, we check the shape of NumPy array B1. Tuple contains only one entry. This entry represents the number of elements in the row of NumPy array B1. It is 6, means B1 contains 6 elements. Next example for changing the shape of NumPy array without changing the data is reshape function. So B1 contains 6 elements. If you want to reshape B1 and to create a new NumPy array, we have to use a combination of 6 elements only. So B1.reshape, we are using 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 into 3 total element will be 6 and we are creating a NumPy array B2. If you check the content of B2, it contains 2 rows and 3 columns which is created from one-dimensional NumPy array B1. If we want to cross check, we can check the shape of NumPy array B2 which is 2:3. If we give a dimension which is not fitting to the number of elements of the NumPy array, then it will give you an error. Okay, so it reshapes the NumPy array, but it don't change the data present inside the NumPy array. Next example of reshape function, we are changing the shape of two-dimensional NumPy array B2 to contain 3 rows and 2 columns. Total number of elements are 6. Using this, we are creating a NumPy array B3. Click on the cell and run the cell. B2.reshape 3.2 will create a NumPy array containing 3 rows and 2 columns. If we check the content of B3, then it contains NumPy array containing 3 rows and 2 columns. If you check the shape of NumPy array, then it gives output 3.2. If it is a two-dimensional NumPy array or multi-dimensional NumPy array, the number inside the tuple represent the number of rows and number of columns. So it contains 3 rows and 2 columns. That's it for this video. We have seen how to change the shape of NumPy array using Ravel function which converts the NumPy array into a one-dimensional NumPy array, and reshape function which change the shape of the NumPy array without changing the data. Thank you.